How's it going, bros? My name is Sliver and welcome back to a new brained episode of Besiege. So I've been trying some levels in Besiege to see how it looks like, and it was very cool. So we're gonna be starting the first level. No, this is the level 16. What am I doing now?
Fuck this shit, I'm out.
So we're gonna be trying the first level. Okay, I hope it will be easy. Okay, so we're gonna have to destroy this. Yeah, it's easy. Yeah, I'm gonna just do this. Yeah, and then nope. Okay, do that. And then
shut the fuck up.
We're gonna be trying to do this cannon. I think this cannon will be okay. Okay, 1, 2, nope. Let's go. We'll be trying some few attempts up and
a few moments later.
Okay. Oh, then I'm pro here. Next zone. Okay. Destroy this. I'm gonna just keep it all the way here. Then do then do just like this. Okay. That will be good, I think. Okay, just like this. Up.
Nope.
And then a total fail. Okay. Oh, good. Oh, it's so satisfying. And this, what? Oh, that will be so hard. So I think we're gonna be doing a spider. That will be better than never. Yeah. Okay. Move. Okay, my spider is okay. Nope. No, it has to be very small. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. It will be easy. It will take you some I think 2 seconds, but it's very important for me. Okay, so just smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and I reply to very rarely I reply to my subscribers who are active. Okay, so let's do this with my little. Okay, little spider, let's go. Okay, the tree.
Nope.
Why? Just what? Just okay. Okay, just like this, then up, then down. Oh. Oh, that's good. Oh yeah, I'm stuck here. Look at this, I'm stuck here. Oh yeah, I can move. Yeah, let's go. Yes. 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 Oh. Oh, that's it. What? Oh, I have an idea. I will be doing this like this. And will be okay, I think. Oh, ooh. Oh, good. Good. Oh, good. Oh. Oh. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Ooh, so close. So close to the end. Let's go. No, oh yeah. Oh. Oh, and then. Oh. Oh, no, I got stuck. Yes, I will be trying this. Oh, 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 that will be okay, I think. Yeah, destroy this. Oh my gosh, destroy. Yes, yes, another satisfaction. Oh, that will be hard.
It's the dream.
Okay, so he's the beast. Don't like that. Oh my gosh, the game crashed. Oh. Oh, kill people, please, the beast. Please. It took me 30 minutes to do this beast. 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 Kill everybody. Kill everybody. Please, beast. Oh. Please, beast. Please, beast. Kill everybody. Oh. Beast. Oh, beast. Oh, beast. Keep killing. Keep killing. Yes, and then please. Oh. And then beast. Wait a minute, beast. Okay, the game crashes. Even if oh my god. Yes, come people. Come and then go. Yes, go. Let's go, people. Why? Okay, so bye. Bye, beasts. Ah. Okay, try with this. Okay, we kill everybody with this. Oh, it's a machine gun. Oh my god. Oh, pretty easy. Okay, we'll kill them with this. Okay, just to kill them. Boom. Boom. And then, yeah, let's go, bitches. Let's go. Kill all the bitches that you found. Yeah, the mission. Yeah. And yeah. Oh, I'm rages. Oh. Come reach me. Okay. And. Come reach me if you can. Ooh. Come reach me if you can. Come reach me. Oh, come reach me. Oh, boom. Get out over here. Boom. I will kill everybody. I'm not satisfied. Okay, I'm satisfied now, I think. Yes, I'm satisfied. Nope, I'm not satisfied. Okay, we'll check the horizon. Okay, I'm satisfied. Next zone, let's go. Okay, so we'll be trying to help them. Okay. Oh, good job. Oh, good. I'm the man here. Moment of the dab. Okay. I'll be trying to have a suspension. Where is the suspensions? No, so waste no, don't know. Go, no, so. My sister is watching some musicals, so I'll listen with her. Yes, of course. Okay, I will be making a cannon here. We'll be doing this and this, and yeah, I think it is ready. Okay, that is ready. Boom. Oh, that's satisfying. Okay, I'm taking 6 minutes. Use explosives. Okay. Oh, the first try, man. First try. Okay. Oh, first one. Nope, no. Yes. Thank you, Cannon, you helped me. Boom! First try, bro. First try, bro. Okay, slow. I'll be trying to making this suspensions. Okay.
Into the night, I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, for you, for you, for you, for you,
Boom! Yes, finally, guys. Finally. I think I will be doing 3 or 4 levels and then... Okay. Destroy 70% of the tower. So I'll be doing this. Look at the strategy.
Nope.
Oh, what? What? I think. Think this will be the tower?
eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, for you, for you.
So hard so far. I'll be trying this 3 times. The first try it will be now, the second try then, and the final try will be with cool music. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the first try, the second try, third try, second try. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and yeah, I will be back in the next video, I think in Minecraft with my friend Skrill, I think. Okay, let's do this, the lastest try.